Hey, what's going on? This is Alex Johnson over at Thompson Motor Center. I just kind of wanted to show a custom 2020 Wrangler Unlimited Sport S that we have done for a customer here. This thing started off completely in stock form. This only had the Sport S package, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It had your anti-spin rear diff and the technology group of the 7-inch touchscreen radio. It didn't even have the LED light, headlights, or anything. So I just kind of wanted to go over everything that we have done to this. Start off with, we started out with your Mopar Fox shock 2-inch lift. On that, we have your Mopar Beadlock capable rims, riding on 35-inch Toyo tire open country ATs. For your fenders, we went road armor. It is metal, along with your road armor inner fender liners. We did that all four corners. This does have it to where that is your daytime running light and that's your turn signal. We have your factory LED Jeep headlights with your LED ring. Up front, there's a lot going on. Road armor bumper, 10,000 pound worn winch, and all of those lights are Rigid Industries LED light pods. As you can tell, same thing up here. As you can tell, there's a little bit of an opening there. Definitely helps with that articulation and wheel clearance. On the side, we had some custom vinyl right here, and also a custom vinyl star on the hood. Westin Nerf bars on the side. On the back again, we have your road armor fenders along with your road armor fender flares. Just to kind of show you. All the way on the back of the Jeep, again, road armor. We did the road armor swing gate for your fifth wheel. We do have third brake light and the tag light down there. Again, Rigid Industry lights attached to your reverse. And this is kind of cool, the way you open it, and it's all one piece. So you can tell, has a mechanism right there that whenever you're ready, it'll swing close, just like that. Kind of show you from that angle. Again, these are 35s. All four corners. And on the interior, we did a little bit more as well. We did Katskinz red leather with the diamond stitching on the entire interior. That's the light for the center Rigid Industries light up front. So you can tell it does have the technology group, power windows, power locks, four-wheel drive system. Same thing in the back. It's all Katskinz leather. We did the grab handle kit, all-weather floor mats. Of course, this is a soft top as well. A lot of time went into this, and I'm definitely pretty proud of how it turned out. Again, this is Alex Johnson over at Thompson Motor Center. If you have any questions and want to get a Jeep kind of like this, just let me know. Thank you.